The cheetah is the only cat species that doesn't have fully retractable claws. Their semi-retractable claws give them great grip at high speeds. A cheetah's eyesight is exceptional. During the day, they can spot prey from 5 kilometers away. Their eyes have a high concentration of nerve cells arranged in a band across the retina, allowing them to focus on a narrow field of view straight ahead, much like looking through a pair of binoculars. Cheetahs are currently listed as a vulnerable species. There were about 100,000 cheetahs in the wild in 1901, and now the population is estimated to be as low as 7,000. Major threats to their survival include habitat loss due to human encroachment, illegal wildlife trade, and loss of prey due to overhunting by humans. Conservation efforts are now in place to help preserve this incredible animal.